friends, it's Teacher Jane again. How are you today? You are happy? Me too. Okay, everybody. Today we will learn 3 new words. Here is word number 1. Okay, it is cat. Yes? Look, everyone, it's a cat. Cats say meow. Meow. Okay, let's spell the word. Cat starts with C. Say C. Okay. Next letter is A. And third letter is T. Good. And again, spell with me. Cat. C. A. T. Lovely. And now for letter sounds. C says K. A says A. And T says T. Good. Let's go over the sounds again. So K, A, T. Good job. Now, students, word number 2. It is hat. Okay? And here is a hat. Look, I can put it on. Okay, let's spell hat. H A T. Lovely. And again, H A T. Amazing. Now for letter sounds. H says H. A says A. And T, you already know T says T. Okay. Sounds again. H, A, T. Hat. Good. Okay. And now we're on to word number 3. So let me show you a picture. Okay. Look at this. It's a bat. Okay. Let's spell the word. We've got B A T. Spells bat. And again, B A T. Lovely. And just the sounds now. We've got B A T. One last time. Let me hear you say the letter sounds. B A T. Great job. Okay, everyone. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Join me in the next video where we will put these words into sentences. Okay, I'll see you all there. Bye-bye.